How's it going? My name is Tucker from Contemporary Automotive, and if I got the Jeep for you, 2021 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. I'm going to do a quick video, go over all the great features about this thing. So let's hop right into it. So starting out front, you have this beautiful firecracker red paint. Really makes you stand out. It's a beautiful color. Some nice halogen headlights, the iconic 7-slot front grille with the nice black accents around the side of the grille and the lights. Recovery points down here. And let's hop to the side. Super well equipped, off-road tires, gonna be able to handle pretty much anything that the weather has to throw at us. It's a really snowy, cold day. These tires, you don't have to worry about a thing, especially with this 4-wheel drive system on the Jeep. But color match fenders and the three-piece hardtop, wheel-to-wheel running boards, the nice black accents along the side with the Jeep logo and the trail rated logo. These side markers are actually heated, so you don't have to worry about frost, ice, or snow building up on them. Keyless remote entry to get inside. Like I said, back here as well, you get the color match fenders, and obviously a gas tank back here. Finishing out back with the tailgate, spare tire as per usual with a Jeep. You have the rear view camera right back here by your spare tire. Pop this open. You actually do have keyless remote entry to get back here as well. So you don't even have to have the key in your hands. Keep it in your pocket. Keep it in the car. You can open this up, fold that, and just look at how much space you have back here. Pretty much as much room as you would like for, groceries, sports bag, work bag, anything like that. You're gonna have Alpine speakers back here, and if you would like more room, you can actually fold those seats down to give you the maximum amount of storage capacity, and you have some storage capacity down here as well. Coming to the interior now. And I think the interior is where the Sahara really shines, because you get all the great off-road capabilities on the exterior as some of the other models, but interior is just so nice. You get this black leather all the way around, some really nice black carpet down here. Super easy that if you do want to take this off-roading or in the snow, you have muddy, wet shoes, just take it out. You can spray it down and clean these really fast. You have some more storage in the front seats, behind the front seats, as well as some outlets and just some vents back there as well. And lastly, coming to the front seat, and the front seat is just as beautiful as the back seat. Obviously, you get these black leather up here as well. Some nice kind of handles to hold while you're driving, you're off-roading, give you more support for you. You have a black leather steering wheel with a bunch of controls to be able to control the dashboard, make and end phone calls, and set your cruise control. This is my favorite part on this vehicle. 6-speed manual transmission, so you can really get into driving and feel the road. Just over 3,600 miles, so pretty much like it just came off the lot new. You're getting this thing with a ton of life left in it, just barely getting started. And you have all of your storage right here in the center console. Uconnect system, Uconnect 4 system. You're gonna have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, obviously your radio. You can get Sirius XM on it. Ton of cool stuff, as well as just all the settings to really make this Jeep yours and kind of adjust to how you like. Right below that, you're gonna get all your climate control buttons. Something really cool about this one as well. Again, why I love the Sahara, you have a heated steering wheel and heated seats. It is like 1 degree out today. And let me tell you, just getting into this thing and having that option, you can turn those on before you go out to work, come back out 5 minutes later, and it's nice and warm in here for you. Really, really nice touch if you're living somewhere cold, like New England or, up north, anything like that. But yeah, ton of cool features in here. You have all your window buttons right here, some of the auxiliary media plugins as well right there. And if you're interested in this thing, you might want to buy it or just hear some more about it, some more questions about it. Please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call, come on in, take it for a test drive. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right after 101.